Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Yogita and today I am back with another makeup look. So let's start. And this eye makeup is very simple, like very simple. You can create this eye look even if you are a beginner. And the eye look is inspired by this creator. Her Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. सो मैंने कलर्स वगैरह सब कुछ चेंज कर दिए, इतना परफेक्शन भी नहीं आया है और अलग है थोड़ा, मतलब सिर्फ वो तरीका इंस्पायर्ड है, द वे शी हैज़ क्रिएटेड द आई लुक. सो फर्स्ट आई अप्लाइड द डार्क पर्पल शेड, देन आई ब्लेंडेड इट आउट विद अ पिंक कलर और इसको पूरा बाहर नहीं लेके गए. आई हैव नॉट क्रिएटेड अ विंग विद इट, इसको हाफ ही रखा है. एंड देन आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ कट क्रीज. So again I am creating a clean cut crease to work with. And then I have applied the tape. It will make your work very easier. Like ऐसे shape की tension लेने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है कि कैसा आएगा. It will give you a very perfect and sharp wing. Even while doing eyeliner you can use tape. So I am applying the same dark purple shade and then blending this out with the pink color only. So after blending it properly, I will remove the tape and you can see कि कितना perfect wing मुझे मिला है. तो इसके बाद बिल्कुल हल्का सा ही मुझे इसको क्लीन करना पड़ा था कंसीलर से विद अ बफिंग ब्रश, जिससे मैंने अपना मतलब आई मेकअप बेस क्रिएट किया था. सो यू कैन स्किप दैट ऑल्सो अगर आपका एकदम ही परफेक्ट विंग बन के क्रिएट हुआ है. And now you can actually see the eye look and it is very simple. जितना दिख रहा है ना उससे भी ज़्यादा simple. And then for face makeup it's the same as always. This time I am just applying my concealer and foundation together. मैंने दोनों को एक साथ ही लगा लिया and then I am blending this with the brush. और काफ़ी सही कवरेज मिल जाता है, though after some time it will get oxidized. And then I'm using Swiss Beauty concealer here. It's in the shade 01 Warm Sand. I'm using this as my bronzer और ये बहुत ही beautiful warmth add करता है मेरी skin पे. I actually ordered this shade to use it as my under eye concealer to cover up my dark circles. But ये shade थोड़ा ज़्यादा dark निकला मेरी skin से, so I use it as a bronzer और ये बहुत ही beautifully work करता है as a bronzer. And then for blush I have used Inside Cosmetics lipstick. It's in the shade Darling in Nude. और इसका और जो मैंने ब्राउन्जर लगाया था, जो स्विस ब्यूटी का कंसीलर लगाया था, उन दोनों आपस में बहुत अच्छे से जा रहे थे. एंड यू कैन सी मैंने ब्राउन्जर और लिपस्टिक बिल्कुल ही मतलब ब्लश अपने एकदम चीक बोन्स पे लगाया है टू गिव माई फेस अ लिफ्टेड इफेक्ट. And then I applied highlighting concealer. It's from the same brand Swiss Beauty in the shade 02 Sand Sable. और मैंने बहुत ही कम वो लगाया. And now I'm setting my face with the loose powder from Blue Heaven. It's in the shade Natural. Again ये भी मैंने बहुत कम amount में लगाया है. Only on my under eyes and जहाँ पे भी मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत oil produce होता है वहाँ पे. And then I'm applying yellowish brown kind of a shade on my nose for nose contouring. Not actually like it's not a very chiseled contour, but still to add a bit of a color and to add a bit of a dimension. And then from the same eyeshadow palette I have picked up a peachy pink shade and applied it as my blush. And then on my lower lash line I'm applying the same dark purple color and then I'm blending this with the same pink shade which I applied on my eyes. And then for highlighter I'm using the Swiss Beauty primer, a real makeup base. It's in the shade Natural Tint. ये बहुत ही प्यारा ग्लो देता है. I actually lost all my footage of the product shot, so that's why I'm not showing the products here. But ये बहुत ही beautiful glow add करता है. Even on top of powder you can use it. And then comes the interesting part, the most interesting part. First I have applied a white kajal on my lower waterline. It's from the brand Stay Quirky. And then I'm applying yellow eyeshadow on top of it to create a yellow kajal sort of. So basically if you have yellow kajal or yellow colored pencil for eyes, you can apply that. I don't have it, so I applied it this way. And then for lips, first I applied Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Choco Nude. Then I applied Wet n Wild lipstick. Then I applied Inside Cosmetics lipstick. It's in the shade Darling in Nude. Then I am applying Inside Cosmetics lip gloss. It's in the shade Gliss. So yes, Anyway, this is the final look. I hope you like this video. Do let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Bye bye.